In the vast blue world of our oceans, jellyfish drift like silent, graceful dancers. They have no brains, hearts, or bones, yet have survived for over 500 million years, older than dinosaurs or trees. Their bodies are 95% water, allowing them to float effortlessly and pulse gently through the sea. Jellyfish aren't actually fish. They're cnidarians, related to sea anemones and corals. Some can glow in the dark, using bioluminescence to startle predators or attract prey. From the tiny irukandji to the giant lion's mane, their variety is astounding. Each jellyfish's life is a cycle of transformation, adaptation, and renewal. Observing them reveals the resilience and diversity of life in the ocean. Even the simplest creatures hold profound secrets and play vital roles in their environment. Their story is a quiet epic, an endless dance in the ocean's depths. A jellyfish's life begins as a tiny fertilized egg, drifting among plankton. When sperm and egg meet, a new life starts, often no bigger than a grain of sand. The egg hatches into a planula, a small oval larva covered in cilia that swims in search of a home. Guided by light and chemical cues, the planula seeks a hard surface, rock, shell, or even a crab's back. This journey is perilous. Survival depends on finding the right spot. Once found, the planula attaches itself head down, ending its free-swimming days. It prepares for its next transformation, becoming something that looks more like a tiny sea anemone than a jellyfish. The planula's choice of home shapes its entire future. Even without eyes or a brain, it instinctively knows what to do. This stage is a testament to the survival instincts present in all life. The planula is now ready to transform into a polyp. Attached to a surface, the planula transforms into a polyp, a tiny, tube-shaped creature with tentacles. The polyp stays rooted, catching plankton with its stinging tentacles and growing slowly. It can reproduce asexually, budding off new polyps to form colonies. This strategy boosts survival, allowing one polyp to create many identical offspring. Polyps can live for months or years, waiting for the right environmental signal to change again. When conditions are right, the colony acts as a single organism, sharing nutrients and preparing for the next stage. The polyp is the patient factory, quietly building the next generation. This rooted phase helps jellyfish survive tough times in the ocean. The energy and numbers built up here will soon launch a new wave of jellyfish. The stage is set for a dramatic transformation. When spring warms the water, polyps begin strobilation, dividing into stacks of tiny plates. Each plate breaks off as an ephira, a star-shaped baby jellyfish. A single polyp can release dozens of ephirae, filling the water with new life. Ephirae are tiny and vulnerable, pulsing weakly as they hunt plankton. Their lobes help them catch food and absorb oxygen. This stage bridges the rooted polyp and the free-swimming adult. As ephirae eat and grow, their bodies change. Lobes fuse, forming the classic bell shape. Growth is rapid, fueled by every meal. In weeks or months, the ephira becomes a medusa, ready to drift the open ocean. The transformation is nearly complete. The final stage is the medusa, the iconic bell-shaped jellyfish with trailing tentacles. Now fully grown, it pulses powerfully, hunting with stinging cells and capturing larger prey. The medusa's main purpose is reproduction. Males and females release sperm and eggs, starting the cycle anew. Some, like the immortal jellyfish, can even revert to the polyp stage, defying death. Most medusae die after spawning, their bodies nourishing the ocean floor. Jellyfish are vital to the marine food web, feeding creatures like sea turtles and sunfish. Their life is a loop of transformation, resilience, and renewal. From egg to medusa, each stage is a marvel of adaptation. These silent dancers remind us of the ocean's wonder and the interconnectedness of all life. By understanding their journey, we appreciate the delicate balance of our blue planet.